Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. What's inside this helluva bathroom scale? I've got some, get out of there. I've got some of the tools I will be needing to do this little video. And I've already started. I've already removed a few of the screws here, 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 and here to save time. And as you can see, there's really not a whole lot in here. This top cover, which has 4 more screws. For those interested in the enormous amount of steel, those 4 screws hold this little plastic plate in. That's a helluva. So we're not going to worry about that at the moment. But as you can see, there is the inside of the scale. And these are, for lack of a better word, they're weighers for electronic doohickeys. It all goes to this little circuit board. There it is. That's what you're paying for. That didn't work. Need a flip. Guess I don't have a hammer handy. Or do I? I do. But there's your circuit board. Not a whole lot. We will take a quick look. I see some gold-plated thingies in there. Get in the sunshine. That makes it worse. You can't see anything in the sunshine. What do we have here? We have little gold thingies there. There. And maybe a little bit here. But how is this held in? Appears to be, I don't know if you can see it or not, 2 little bitty screws. A little bit bigger than screws for your eyeglasses. What the hell is that? So I'm going to put that off to the side. Got a couple of screws I've already taken out. There. And there. What else is in here? What is holding these weighing things in? The hammer when I need one. Hold on. That's better. We got a Phillips, regular, broken of course, but hey, I found it and it was free. And the hammer, which I may or may not use. Let's try the regular screwdriver first. Maybe the Phillips. Something's happening. Where's my foot? Again. Alright. I guess the weigher thingy is the actual weigher thingy. There we go. Oh, there's some scrap metal underneath the little rubber feet. Rubber feet, plastic feet. What is this? What is going on here? Pretty cool, actually. Focus. Focus. How am I going to get that out of there? Can't make a lot of noise in the apartment. That's what I want to. I complain about people making noise all the time, so who am I to make noise myself? This may be something for another video, because I don't see if that's a screw. Looks to be more of a rivet. So I may take a moment to get that out. Nothing in there. Some little itty bitty screws. So I'll assume there's 4 of these little weighing thingies. Let's try another one. Hi. No comments on my hat. I want to shut the phone off. There we go. So it appears that that will just come out of the rubber cup. It will be sucked back. And there we have it. Rip its guts out there. There's your weighing thingies. Don't know what's in it. Don't really see any copper. And those rivets are rivets. So I'll just throw that in my scrap metal basket. And see if I can get these other ones out. As you can see, there is really nothing inside this. You're paying for plastic and maybe a pound altogether of scrap steel. Some cheap wiring. Look at this crap. Altimeter, yeah. More like cheapo-meter. Wonder if it's made in China. Let's see. Altimeter.com, model number, Sunbeam Products, oh god. Yep, there it is. Fabrique in China. Heisho in China. Made in China. Just trying to get that one out. Pop goes the weighing thingy. There's another one. Yank. These are a little substantial, actually. They've got a little bit of weight to them, so. Yeah, there's two of them. There you go. The altimeter. Model on HDM770 something, because I punched a hole in it. You can't really see what the rest of that model number is, because they thought they were trying to cover up the screw, which they were. The screw was screwed into nothing in the back. So, and this is where the battery was. We'll get some metal out of there. Maybe. One of my favorite tools. Besides a hammer. Another one of my favorite tools is this thing. Because I've learned how to do this now with one hand. And you see, it's a Boulevard nutcracker. Firmly clamp the bottle in feet. And pop. Cheers! Happy New Year! Ellie, stop doing that! She's playing with the cord from the blinds. Suddenly. I don't know what her fascination is with that suddenly, but I don't know what my fascination is with this suddenly. One of the few last real beers this company makes. Unfortunately, they have, how shall I say, joined the dark side. And they seem to be producing a lot of the sissy la-la beers. Hard seltzers and crap like that. If I wanted watered down fruit juice, whatever they're calling beer nowadays, I would drink it. But I want real beer. This is one of the last ones they make. They've got Calling and a Tank 7, which is pretty good. But I'm not into paying $7 a bottle for beer. So we'll keep to the cheap stuff that's good and packs a wallop. And no seltzers. Hard seltzers, rattlers, whatever they want to call them. I want real beer. So that's today's project. Well, one of them. I've been on a roll lately, getting rid of things left and right. Try one more since I'm here. And since my foot is already here. come on out of there. Look at that. I almost wonder if I could use these for something. No. Upside down. Got little plastic feet. There it is. Maybe that was the problem. Is 3 of the feet fell off, and there was only 1 foot remaining, so it made it wobble. And when a scale wobbles, it doesn't give the right weight. God forbid somebody would think ahead and say, "Hey, no little felt feet on the feet." If that makes any sense. Get rid of that. Get that out of there. Oh well, I'm rambling on and getting some stuff done. But I wanted to check in, tear apart the scale, and get it off the table in the hallway. I found another scale, an old mechanical scale, which all this electronic stuff nowadays is wasting my time. I don't want to be in the middle of a crucial weigh-in and have the battery die on me. So give me a regular scale any day, and I'm set for life. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. Have a nutcracker on me. Good stuff. Comes in a convenient carrying case. Very nice box. So when this box is empty, I could fill it up with metal, screws, and whatever. But again, that's all for now. Bye-bye.